Welcome to Golden Promise, a Teachers Pay Teachers store. We design quality, no-prep materials for world language teachers. In this video, we are highlighting a new product line for our store: interactive, hands-on alphabet storybooks. Rather than being aimed at world language classrooms, these products are meant for early childhood educators and parents. The stories are fun and engaging ways for children to learn the letters of the alphabet, their sounds, and vocabulary based on them. Each book contains 5 main sections. The first section contains flashcards with vocabulary from the story and images representing those words, which may be used in a variety of ways. They may be loose flashcards or bound together with a ring. The word and the image may be matched together, or the cards may be placed face down and matched in a memory-like game. And the blank flashcards may be filled with a child's own letter words and illustrated by hand. The second section contains a set of images for use in the 4th section of the book. The third section is meant for the youngest children and includes the story with the focus letter highlighted in the text and illustrated with backgrounds and object images. This section may be read as a picture book. Afterward, you can obscure the text, shuffle the pages, and ask a child to put the scenes into the correct order. Or you can stop partway through the story and ask a child how he or she would end it if they were the author. The 4th section is meant for more advanced readers and includes the text with highlighted focus letters and background images. The object images from section 2 may be cut out and placed or glued on the appropriate pages according to the text, allowing children some freedom to illustrate the story in their own manner while retaining the guidance of the provided images. Many of the images repeat as the objects will appear on multiple pages of the story. The pages and object images also may be laminated and have Velcro or sticky putty applied so that the objects may be placed repeatedly. This would be suitable for small groups, one-on-one conferences, and morning meetings. Finally, the 5th section contains the text with highlighted focus letters only. Space is provided on each page for children to fully illustrate the story from their own imaginations using art tools of their choice. For letters that have multiple pronunciations, vocabulary words have been chosen based upon a single pronunciation, or at most 2 with distinct highlighting for simplicity. We may expand the product line in the future to include a more complete phonics treatment. The books are available on our store for purchase individually and in bundles. Please see the video description for links to the bundles. We have also provided the Letter A storybook as a free download, link in the description. We hope you have enjoyed this overview of our alphabet stories. These engaging activities will be helpful for teachers in a literacy center or small group conference, and for parents who want to encourage their child's literacy outside of school. Please check out all of our products on Teachers Pay Teachers by clicking the link in the video description. We regularly add new products, so check back often or follow us on the Teachers Pay Teachers website for notifications. And email us at goldenpromise4teachers2018@gmail.com if you would like us to create a custom bundle for you. Thanks for watching.